In this video, we are going to make a raspberry cheesecake. The ingredients you need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, sugar, salt, an egg, and warm butter. Separate the egg yolk and egg white. You will only need the yolk. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour. Fold in the rest of the flour. Spread the mixture evenly into the bottom of a cheesecake mold. My mold is 7 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. The ingredients you need are milk, cream cheese, lemon juice, plain yogurt, gelatin sheet, vanilla extract, whipped cream, sugar, and raspberry juice. Mix the cream cheese with the plain yogurt, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and sugar. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix the whipped cream with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the gelatin for 20 seconds to melt it and mix in some of the cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Set aside half of the mixture in another bowl. Add the milk to one bowl and the raspberry juice to the other bowl. Use a small mold to cut a hole in the center of the cookie base. My mold is 3 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Scoop out the center of the cookie base. Pour in the white cheesecake mixture, tilt and shake it to make it smooth, and freeze for 20 minutes. Pour in the raspberry cheesecake mixture and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Add half a tablespoon of red rice flour to half a cup of whipped cream and beat to stiff peaks. Pipe a rose like this. Pipe 8 more roses of various sizes. Freeze the roses for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the cake from the mold. Arrange the roses and some raspberries on top of the cake.